Hi there, you guys. For those of you who are absent today, I am going to show you our daily agenda slide so that you can kind of keep up with what we're doing. Today we spent a few minutes working on IXL D1. Remember that I changed the guidelines for this IXL, and you only need to hit a 50 SMART score in order to get full credit. 2 read theories as usual to get full credit on those as well. Those will be due on Friday. For our small group learning activity, we all worked independently, and then we worked until we hit the stop here slide. So I am going to pull that up for you guys. It was located on Google Classroom. So I'm going to use my third and fourth period as an example. It should be the very first thing on your stream, or you can go through the classwork tab, and it will be located underneath the Unit 5 Inventions, Small Group Learning, Nikola Tesla. Okay, so let's look at the slides here. And this is what you should see entering into the activity. Today in class, we worked on part 1 and part 2 independently. So we worked through answering the Jumpstart questions, the concept vocab, where you just put down what you think each word means and then find the actual definition online. We did our first read of the Nikola Tesla biography, and I did get a request to kind of help you guys get there. So I will be showing you guys how to get to the online textbook and how to navigate that today. So here we go. I am going to show you this first because everything else is kind of self-explanatory. Once you find the text, you will be able to find everything else. So I am going to go back to Google Classroom here, and I am going to go back to our very front page. Once again, I'm just using third and fourth period as an example. We are going to hit the classwork button, and we're going to look for our online textbook. So we'll hit our online textbook here, and it should open up in just a moment. Yours may look a little different than mine. It may not ask you to sign in the same way it asked me to. Okay, so let me get to your guys' book here. Alrighty, the student edition. Okay, and you guys should all see this picture when you pull up your textbook. Okay, so this is Unit 1. We are not currently in Unit 1. So we are going to go to the 3 lines up top where it says menu. Click on that, and we are going to go to the table of contents. We are in Unit 5 Invention, and we are working on small group learning now. We finished whole class learning, so now we are on small group. Once we click on the small group learning, we are going to see Nikola Tesla, the greatest inventor of all. So we are going to click on that one. That is going to take us to our text. Okay, and see there is our biography. You can listen to it if you wish. It's about 5 minutes long, or you can just read it on your own. It's kind of a short passage. Okay, and when we are working on our online textbook and we are looking for the comprehension questions, which comes after, so comprehension questions, I believe, are right after the first read. 1, 2, and 3, and then number 4 is a summary, so you can put your summary here. These are going to be found in your textbook as well, underneath Making Meaning. We're going to keep scrolling until we see Comprehension Check. We're going to click those bad boys and see there's our first question. Why did Tesla's teachers sometimes think he was cheating? Why did Tesla leave Edison's company? And why does Tesla Motors use Tesla's name? Okay. So remember, number 4 is a summary on a slide all its own, okay? So if there's anything else that I can help you with, please don't hesitate to ask me. We did do a quick research question before we had our stop here for the day, but research question is not as important as both of these, okay? The comprehension questions are what is most important. If you guys need any help finding anything, please just ask me and continue to email me with questions or concerns as you have them. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.